For me, fall means the smell of cinnamon and spice in the air. This cinnamon-wrapped candle makes a beautiful gift or a decorative piece for your home. As the candle burns, the cinnamon sticks warm up, leaving your rooms feeling cozy and festive. To start, we're going to take our thick elastic band and put it around the circumference of our candle. Then we're going to start taking our cinnamon sticks and slipping them inside the elastic. We're going to put these all the way around until it's completely covered. Now, you could use a glue gun, but I prefer elastic so that I can reuse my cinnamon sticks for cooking or for another candle. Another thing you could do is you could take a vanilla scented candle or some other scented candle to mix your cinnamon scent with your vanilla scent. Now, once you have cinnamon sticks around the circumference of your candle, you can take some rope or twine and start wrapping that around to cover your elastic band. Now give that a nice tight knot and trim the edges. Now you can add a little extra decoration by taking a festive colored ribbon and covering your twine with that. Just make a simple bow. And that's it. Beautiful, fragrant candle. For more modern pioneering tips, like this video and subscribe to my channel.